Learn how to access Google Drive files shared in your Canvas course. In your Canvas course, after you click the content shared from Google Drive, you click Authorize and follow the instructions to add your institutional email, in this case your TAMU email. But if you see the message Authorization failed, here are the recommendations to solve this technical problem. Chrome and Firefox are the most compatible web browser when using Canvas. Go to your left side menu in Canvas and click Account, then click Settings. Even if you see that Google Drive is under your Register services, you need to remove it and add it again. To do that, focus the keyboard on the Google Drive element and select the X option to remove it. Select OK within the pop-up window. Now Google Drive will appear under Other Services on the same page. Click or select that button and select Authorize Google Drive Access within the pop-up window. This action will open a sign-in page in Google. If you already have your TAMU email added, you need to select it. Otherwise, add it by typing your TAMU email and password. After you authenticate, it will ask you to authorize the Canvas access to your Google account. Please select Allow. You're again under your Canvas view. Go to your course and try re-accessing your course content. It should load it automatically. If your Google Drive integration in Canvas doesn't work, please email us at helpdesk@tamac.edu. This service is only for Texas A&M University at Galveston users. Thank you.